In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how I turn a simple idea into a full video using ChatGPT Storyboard plus AI video tools. No editing skills needed. Recently, ChatGPT released its new model, and it turns out the Storyboard GPT image feature has become the talk of the town. So why don't we test it out? Let's go. Here I have a product, the water powder, a fun concept product, and a model who's going to promote it. Now we're going to head to ChatGPT to create a storyboard. Add both images and ask ChatGPT to create a storyboard. Say it however you want. ChatGPT is strong enough to understand our lemon language. Cool, let's go. Wait for a few seconds. And here's the result. It looks pretty good. Now, we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us a prompt for creating a video out of this storyboard. Cool, we have the prompt now. Now, as you know, Veo 3 can't create long videos, so we'll break it into parts. For example, we get around 10 scenes for a 30-second video. Then we can combine 3 scenes in one clip, right? Let's do that. Let's go to Veo 3, add the storyboard image, and the first 3 scenes prompt. Wait and see the results. It's impressive and working.
Something beautiful when you feel life gets you down.
Now I'll do the same for the remaining scenes. I'll break them into parts and generate videos for all scenes.
Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring me out of moment time. Bring me energy.
Cool, the video is generated and all clips look awesome. You can see we even got a doctor to claim our product works. LOL, haha. Now, let me stitch all the clips into one and show you the final video.
Thirsty? No water around? Wait. Sound of packet tearing?
Oh, wow.
Instant hydration. Ah, so refreshing. Anywhere, anytime. Fast hydration. Electrolyte enriched. Lightweight and convenient. Instant hydration. Anytime, anywhere. Grab yours now.
So this is how you can generate videos using ChatGPT Storyboard. If this video helped you, follow and subscribe for more AI hacks like this.